Good morning, everyone. A warm welcome to Young Visionary Cup 2025.
After 7 incredible days of learning, exploring, and innovating, we have finally arrived at this moment, the grand finale. Today, we come together to celebrate the ideas, experiences, and visions of our fellow young changemakers.
That's right, we have had the opportunity to gain real world exposure through our internships, work closely with industry professionals, and develop innovative business ideas that could shape the future.
And now, it's the time for the big reveal. Our 3 dynamic teams, the team STEMspire, Agri-Innovators, and the Farmscape, are ready to take the stage and share their experiences, insights, and groundbreaking business concepts.
Before we dive into the presentations, let's welcome our judges panel. Annie ma'am, Bhupesh sir, Ramni ma'am, Shushmita ma'am, Shyam sir, and our respected director, Mrs. Padma ma'am and Subramaniam sir.
Here's how today will unfold. Each team will present their internship experiences and then their suggestions for improvement for one of the industries we have visited. And at last, the innovative business idea. Our esteemed judges will be evaluating the presentations based on innovation, feasibility, impact, presentation skills, and their confidence and the resources they use. So, teams, this is your moment to shine.
So very happy morning to all of you. So we have all gathered here for a wonderful session because you people, that is grade 11 students completing the whole academic year with the internship program, moving over to the finale for the cup, isn't it? So what's the name of the cup? The Young Visionary Cup. 24-25, because this internship program is planned for grade 11 completion, right? So all the 3 teams are all set. But before that, I would like to warmly welcome our guests of today and also our jury members. Shyam Prasad sir, thank you so much for spending your valuable time for us today with the children. Sushmita ma'am, thank you so much for coming down all the way to be here with the children. Aishwarya, thank you so much. And in the same way, Bhupesh sir and Ramani ma'am, thank you for spending your time over here. And each one of them were sharing their experiences when they came back. You know, ma'am, it was really awesome. We thought it's going to be a very hot day. We're going to be exhausted and all. But by evening, we felt we should have had more time to spend in the farm as such. Especially the dairy farming was really a great experience, milking the cows, which I'm sure nobody had it earlier than this. So thank you, both of you, for making this happen for us and taking the initiative of being there to take care of our children. Both of your hospitalities, we thank you so much from the bottom of our heart, right? So when it comes to the competition, it is not a competition. We are not talking about business plans, businesses, all those things. It is about your dreams getting a shape over here. It is your future that you are going to work with. You have selected commerce as your subject. And I have always proudly been telling everybody that commerce is a very, very good career if you could select it and move out, because there are a lot of explorations that you can do. Whether it is marketing, whether it is financial, whether it is administration, or if you want to become a chartered accountant, or if you want to pursue law, there are so many scopes for you if you take up commerce as such. So I feel you have taken a right decision by picking up commerce as your subject. So a big round of applause for yourselves, children. So this cup has been introduced this year. Last year when we had the first internship, it was only that the team had to present, or one business idea had to be picked up, and then you have to elevate it or escalate it to make it better with your ideations as such. So this year we thought we should have this cup rolled every year. So that is the reason we have named it Young Visionary Cup 24-25 with cash prizes also for the best team which makes it with very good ideas, all right? And The second team will be taking away cups, and the third team will be carrying away certificates. So get ready to see who's going to get the rolling trophy so that you could put your photograph on the walls of the classrooms over there. All right? And for the jury, we have 3 teams over here sitting. We have the Pernati family, Gunapati's family, and Annie ma'am sitting down here to write down what all you share with us. The best ideas will be given the best prizes. So thank you so much. A warm welcome to all of you to this wonderful competition.
Good morning, one and all present here. We, the team Agri Innovators of 11th Commerce, are here to present our experiences from the incredible journey of internship. As a part of this internship, we got to visit many places such as BMR, Gunapati Fields, Pennati Farms, Salt Fields, and many more. We got to learn many valuable insights for the future use. Each and every visit gave us a deeper understanding of how the real world applications, challenges, and opportunities work. We are very thankful to all of you to give us this opportunity. It's a practical knowledge along with the bookish one, because bookish one is not at all that necessary for our careers. And also through this presentation, I hope you all get to know what all we learned. And this internship also contributed so much in our professional growth and also in academical growth. Thank you.
So from the learnings of the internship, we the agro innovators have come up with a new business idea. So we have created an app. The name of the app is AgroSphere, and this is the logo of our app. AgroSphere, the name suggests that this app is somewhere related to agriculture. AgroSphere connects consumers and producers, eliminating the middleman. The tagline of our app is, "A seed meets every need." Who is it for? It is accessible to everyone, consumers, large-scale and small-scale farmers, and learners who are interested in learning new techniques of farming. Features of our app: supply chain management. As I earlier said that there is a management between consumers and producers, that are farmers. The goods and crops which are produced by farmers are ultimately consumed by the consumers. Organic fruits and vegetables sold. Here, our app makes sure that every consumer has a healthy diet and healthy lifestyle. These organic fruits and vegetables, firstly, we will be supplying from Gunapati's and Perinati farms. Later, we will be establishing our own farms. Next, provide inputs for the farmers. This feature is basically for small-scale farmers who cannot afford buying huge machineries as they have low income. So here app will be providing these machineries on rent and lease basis. Next is job opportunities for unemployed farmers. As we all know, there is a huge unemployment in rural areas. So to overcome this problem, our app is providing employment opportunities to unemployed youth. Here we will be collaborating with big farms such as Gunapati farms and Perinati farms so that these unemployed youth get opportunities. Door-to-door step service. Here, our app will be providing doorstep service to our consumers, make it more convenient and accessible to all the consumers. So it is basically for the consumers who cannot go to the markets and buy these products. Hair care and skincare products. As we all know that hair care and skincare products are revolutioning these days. People invest in hair care and skincare products a lot. Why not investing in organic hair care and skincare products? Here, our app will be providing hair care and skincare products using organic natural products such as amla, dragon fruit, oranges, etc. Farmers Learning Centers. This is the main feature of our app. Here, if any farmer who is interested in doing farming but don't know how to do, they just need to register into our app, and then we will be providing them with learnings, new skills of how farming can be done. Other apps provide online courses, but no, we are here with offline practical exposure to new farming techniques.
Now starts our financial plan. So based on all the goods and services that we provide, we've estimated our total sales, as you can see, to be 78,50,000. Total cost as 72,32,000, resulting in a net profit of 6,18,000. Our return on investment is 8%, and from the funds, we will be getting owner's funds of 40 lakhs and borrowed funds of 26 lakhs. Additionally, we will also be getting profits from our commissions, that is 5%, 6%, and 12%. Now, you might be also wondering, what about our break-even point? So the thing is, our app offers a multitude of services which will have different rates of commission and different points of sales. So there will be multiple break-even points that is extremely complicated to calculate. Thank you.